Marcia in New York.
Hi, Uncle Brad. How
Hi,
are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm calling because on a recent trip to visit my fiance, well, I'm still in New York. He wants us to
Get married.
just go ahead and get married.
Why not?
However, I would return to my country and do consular processing
Why?
because I'm not prepared to migrate fully as yet. I'm just here for a visit.
Okay, the consular processing is going to take at least 18 months, maybe longer.
I'm sorry?
It's going to take at least 18 months or maybe longer.
Okay. In the meantime, am I able to use my visitor's visa?
You can, but they could also stop you at the airport saying you have an intent to immigrate to the United States and turn you back. So you take a risk every time you travel after you've applied for your green card.
Oh, okay.
So how long have you been here in the U.S.?
Just 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
I return in a couple of weeks to Jamaica.
Don't get married unless you've been here at least 90 days.
Okay. I was going to ask about that as
Yes.
well. Can I choose from consular processing to AOS?
If you get married after 90 days, I would put in your adjustment here and then get advance parole to travel back and forth.
Oh, that's what you recommend?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right. Thank you, Uncle Brad.
Okay, you're welcome. Rose in Dallas.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Uncle Brad. Hi, I have a question.
Yes.
So, if one is here, someone was here right before January 21st, and they are currently out of status, and they haven't been working, just doing some menial jobs like, cleaning or making hair for family members,
Right.
and they don't have the ITN number, they don't have the tax. But you said that the law was talking about having taxes and being able to qualify for the eligibility.
Right.
So my question is really, how does someone in such category qualify?
So if you earn income in the United States, even in a menial job, you have to file a tax return. That doesn't necessarily mean you owe a tax, but you have to file a tax return. And that's regardless of whether you're legal, undocumented, you're working with status, you're working with a work permit, you're working out of status, it doesn't matter. You still have to file a tax return. Your taxes may be zero if you didn't earn a high enough level of an income, but you still got to file a tax return. So what do? You're working off the books. You don't have any documentation. You file a 1040 return as an independent contractor, because that's what you are. You're basically running your own little business, doing hair and doing housekeeping and whatever you may be doing. And you file a 1040 return as an independent contractor, and now you don't have a social security number. You attach a W-7 form to your 1040 return. The W-7 form requests the tax identification number. So you file your 1040 return with your W-7. If you didn't earn, you only earned $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, unlikely you're going to owe any taxes, but you still have to file a tax return nevertheless.
And so can I go ahead and do it for this year just to be on the safe side?
I would do it you do it before April 15th for the year 2020.
Okay.
All right?
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.